And I is confident of the victory of good over evil. And Rastaman vibration is positive. Are you picking up now? The word Rastaman vibration is positive. Still positive. Not because Bob Marley not there physically in the flesh, but him there in the spirit. Yeah, now only for Bob Marley him live down here. You understand? You might not see it over there, sir. You might see it over there, sir. But I say only for Bob Marley him live. Round here, sir. Him live. Me are one of them. Yeah. Not even Rasta, that's the whole culture. You know what I mean? Today's our whole movements from a start from the 30s, from His Majesty crown. You know? And generation come, have carried to a certain point. It's reached to a point where the greatest artists, like in the world, have been a Rasta artist, Bob Marley. The world cannot deny. There's no part of the world where it's a Bob Marley. And someone identify him. So that is a breakthrough, sir. Yeah. You understand? So, you know, one way if it was caring for our country, for a breakthrough like that, you understand? That means a breakthrough like that can't be one man, you know. You understand? It's a whole generation and generation getting tried. Because everybody loves success, you know. You understand? If you are singing, as a little you grew up and there was a man like Bob Marley that sings songs like that, that look like that. At least you have a role model, don't you? You know? So, I see them do everything now for destroy the image they know. You understand? So that's why I kind of rate you like him, Jesse Royal and Chronics. What kind of try all the thing. And I'm saying you know whole for Rasta youth, you know, but them come with a different kind of thing. You have some say the Rasta come, you know, the Rasta them in the 90s come for burn down the thing. Till it's them start burn up now. Not the joke thing. And them a burn up big time. No, them say the youth are kind of like cool. There's a Chronics and them they pan out a fire burning thing. But you hear them, I hear the king. You can't see the greenness. But green nice because if there's something green, it have all the hopes to get ripe. You understand? So, you know, but it's how them a present the thing. As I say, royal too. And you have a sister like Janine. And you have, you know what I mean, a stream of them rise up to. Within the purity there. You understand? Because that's what the music need. It need purity, simplicity, and originality. Because we are original people. You know what I mean? So the message of a pure and clean. Rastafari said, who shall I ascend unto the hills of the Lord? Or who shall stand in his holy place? Clean hands and a pure heart. What not lifted up his soul unto vanity. Vanity and money and them material things. You know, once you have a a cause and a purpose, it's easier. You know what I mean? The thing have to be. You have elders and you have youth and you have, you know, youth and youth. So we as black people and we struggle and, you know, our music is like, for example, fella have said, you know, when I'm writing that, our music is the weapon of the future. You understand? In our time, Bob Marley, them, I say, get up and, you know, and stand up, you know, get up. Stand up for your right. Peter them, I say, legalize it. You know what I mean? Just all of it, I mean, you know, Burning Spirit, them, I say, Marcus Garvey word come to pass. All of them artists there, we'll go back as revolutionary artists. You know what I mean? I talk about a better way of life for we as black people because we know what we're representing the earth. You understand? So, me as a foreigner now, I link up my black brother them from the Caribbean come now to see the thing now with my camera. You understand me? I come for the culture there. Like back in the days when people come, a sunsplash. You know what I mean? When all the ballad like that, I go back. When the next time I see you, I dread your dreadlocks. You understand? All your food, eating different. A pia Italia eat, you show the flesh. You know what I mean? And certain dressing, your red, gold and green and you understand? Say, see some movements. You know what I mean? Today the movement's the last because them, you know, them pants down here, so like the prisoner them and all, you know what I mean, them more gone over to the North America thing. And we used to straighten up the North America thing, or in other words, like in the 70s. It's in the 70s when we were going to America and I play. Black people in America say, look at idiot music that we are playing, the music no vibes. You understand? And a matter of fact, we need to have a haircut. Because you know the dude them smooth. You know? Dude, smooth. You understand? Alright, it's more white people loving that music. In other words, when we are up on tour, white people buy the ticket them in advance.
That's right.
When you go to the black people, them is listening to Barry White.
Yeah.
Them think more in the bedroom, which is okay still. You know what I mean? But we out there in the street, in the field.
True, we are grinding.
You know what I mean? The revolution, that the rebel. That's where that come from. I'm rebel, soul rebel. That means he's a rebel with feeling. You have a soul.
Yeah.
You know, that's rebel and aggressive, but no.
Yeah.
You have a soul.
Right.
You feel your brother them and sister them anywhere them there in the world. And you want to connect with them through the music.
Yeah.
Like fellow that say, music is the weapon of the future. It all get to that wickedness in high and low places. You understand? So we can get together. Just give us rain. What if that you again? In America, just give them snow.
Yeah.
You understand?
Alright.
So John stop give. So same way, you know, live.
Yeah, man.
Live and let others live. Thanks.
Yeah, man, it's a life, man. It's a glory, man.
Yeah, so we give thanks because, you know, the IPTV them in Jamaica now carry the message, yeah? And we have some of the other broadcasts, the TVJ and JTV and all them things. You understand? But it's a good thing, because you see, like all TVJ, buy, before Bob move out, buy me don't buy all of them things, you know?
Yeah.
I kind of know, I just certain man and they have to give me some detail.
We don't know a message.
All right. Well, product thing that may cherish you, my bridging. All right.
Yeah.
I set him kind set up an industry, you know, everything from pressing plant to printery and all thing. Kind of understand.
Right.
The main vision was, you see like how we have bar guarded them, after him coming to Detroit and realize I can't thing around the thing.
Okay.
And then say, all right, he must set up music just like how four of them around them thing.
Yeah.
And then message it. And vision my bridge, alright. So when him reached the to 11 now, I know something, but you know, and I say him jump off now. Him powerful enough now.
Right.
Because you know money, everybody talk about.
Right.
And him have that money power.
Yeah.
So him say, come together now, brethren.
Yes.
Look a set up, you know what I mean, if you notice. I'll His Imperial Majesty, where I hear him album, Burning Spear.
Right.
A tough gang production that, you know. The early Nadine Sutherland thing, man. Tough gang. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
She's up for the production start, the studio build.
Right.
The same thing with me I fight experience right now. Alright, I heard the cyber too. The same thing because we call it now, the nice whatever beat me at. We have to force him to move the studio from Hope Road to Bell Road. You understand? So the same thing, but it's the same thing. Yeah. It's them big white concept them that have. You understand? You must start record all of the name artists them, you know?
Right.
Yeah, big artists them we rate like all Dennis them and them man them, you know what I mean? But you see the thing get away. But you know what I mean? And then he said from him gone, nothing no continue.
No continue.
Nothing really.
I'm joking.
You understand? No press. Right now Jamaica do him have a press where you can press record. Vinyl is on the rise again.
Again, exactly.
Big time.
Big
and
time.
everybody is asking, where can we get the Jamaican press?
Yeah.
No. Miami, you understand, Europe,
Yeah.
and them place there, Japan. You know, so them, you know what I mean? Okay, you know what I mean? But then if it was sports, you build up new, you know, much stadium built for sports.
Exactly.
You understand? And the sports thing flop, you know, big time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? How much years we get out of Usain, boy? You understand?
12 years.
Yeah. How much Bob Marley years can't done.
It's still a channel.
You understand?
But just the message.
Alright, but me try to say, so me know how you go behind something we know don't have them kind of lifespan there.
Yeah.
And again just flap right in the front of your face up. And rare. You understand? Everything is central around sports. You understand? You do have a guitar center here. Well, you can just go in and just, him can buy a guitar but him can play for a half day.
Yeah.
And you understand? And the man run him out of the shop.
Sure.
You understand? America provide that.
Yeah.
Me go in a guitar center, me want
Of course.
I cannot afford a piano, but me just play this
gotta go
up
play
and learn my chops them. You
Yeah.
understand? All the guys say, please just don't disturb the people,
Yeah.
them turn it down a little way. That, you understand? And I do that for the whole day.
Yeah.
And I'm saying, alright, I'll come back again tomorrow. Jamaica, here you go, music man, have man, I watch you and save your teeth or instrument. You understand me? I deal with all them thing at a place like Jamaica where provide so much music to the world. To the world.
Yeah.
You understand me, some brother? So it's all them little things that we would have like and fix. If Bob Marley was here, all of them things that came up the money to do all of that. And that's where he would be investing the money in.
Okay.
Into production, into a movement amongst Rasta.
Right.
And take care of everybody. You understand? Because they love the Rasta. You understand? That's why Mr. Rasta soul love that he gave him heart and soul. You know, people die for this.
True.
For this development.
Yeah.
You understand? So no well on for nothing.
No.
Him say, well, where the use me living if man can't do nothing for the people?
Yeah.
For the people?
The people.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.